Guys, this is the happening, guys. This is Binilindol here, guys, in the Philippines. And Marvy, Angel, and Sispia. Please pray for us, guys. It's very sad. This night, very sad. This is will happen here in the Philippines.
Already what? Wait. It's 11:13, guys. It's already 11:13.
Yes, guys.
And help me, guys, to pray for us.
Yes.
So we are here in the outside because there's someone saying that there's aftershock. So
Yes.
we are here in the outside.
Oh, ako lang tayo may ako digda to.
Oh, pala. Ipalayo lang.
Ma-feel jud na kung yuta nga gana-ana gyapon ay.
Hindi kami lantay nga na, lantay o digda mo lantay. Asa mo to? Bisakat.
Guys. Isa ba? Isa ba, guys?
Guys, sa may kuan ba?
Bayong sung papa.
Bayong sa
Father.
Nagsungod sila mo na nauyog na ang delikado sa dagat kay ang ilawom dito dyan kung makuha na dito mga bato ano na aga ang dagat na apin kung pasabot gani ana nga
Dito ka may ay.